Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Vincent How To. Once again, I'm here in my small garage and today I'm doing the my Honda Civic, my old Honda Civic 2006 model, and the problem of this one is throttle body. I removed this one so that I can have an access. What I'm going to do is clean the throttle body. So in order for this one to clean the throttle body, you have to remove this plastic and also this metal cover, because this is so to make your job easy. Okay, so I also removed the battery and then the cover, and then yeah, so this one I have to take this one out so it will reveal the throttle body. Okay guys, so if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment, you guys, because I have lots of videos too doing DIY. So yeah, we'll do this and I'll show you how to clean a throttle body. So there you go guys, I already removed the throttle body. So this is like full of carbon, look at that. So totally black. So this is how it looks after you remove it, and this is the throttle body. Yeah, so, and I also have this throttle body clean. This is the one I use to spray that, and then just gonna wipe it clean. And this, I cleaned this like 2 years ago, and it's still, look at that, still clean. It's this. Just to remove some carbon. It's clean. This is the other side. Hopefully the issue will get fixed after I clean this. So yeah, we'll just put this back. So there you go guys, I already put back everything and make sure that all the hoses are in. So like that. Install again, and then let's see if finally the engine is running smooth now, because I already cleaned the throttle body. I don't know what's next. Probably the if it's still not working that good, probably injector. But let's see the result of this clean after I clean this throttle body. Okay, put it back. I'm gonna put back the battery, and then so okay guys, that's all. I already put back all the throttle body, the battery. Now let's check if the engine is, the RPM is stable now. So let's see the RPM. So right now guys, stable to 1000. Let's just rev. And look at that. What's that? Okay. Still. RPM goes up, down, down. So I replace spark plugs, the mach sensor, but all the lights on the engine lights gone. But the engine is still not stable. Look at that. Okay, I don't think I solved the problem guys, but we'll see, because this Honda Civic is a bit old already. Soon I'm gonna get rid of this Civic. I was gonna sell it. Maybe some mechanics can still fix this, but this is still running good though. It's just this engine, it's a bit weird. So, that's all guys for today. Yeah, cleaning throttle body. That's just trying to show you. It doesn't mean I'm gonna solve the issue of this Civic, but hopefully this one will still get fixed. But I'm gonna sell this, right? So once again, Vincent, how to guys? Thanks for watching and subscribing to my channel. Right? Thanks so much. Bye.